Hey guys, what's up? Today I've got my new all-in-one Pioneer DJ XDJ RR, which is the Royal Rumble edition. And by the way, that's a joke. It's not the Royal Rumble edition, but I'm going to be calling it the RR. So guys, I've got this right now. Let's not waste time and let's unbox this. So this is the front of the box, and this is the back of the box. And as you can see, this is colored for the first time. This is like around 4 years old, apparently released 4 years back. So guys, let's not waste time and let's unbox this. Wow, that new smell, guys. Okay, I'm gonna get this out. First thing, let's remove this. Nothing else in the box. Okay guys, so the first thing, let's check the manual, get rid of paperwork. That's the warranty, the adapter, and the power cord with the USB. Here you go guys, have a look at this. This looks phenomenal. Just look at this. 2 USBs. There you go, a small little jog. And now let's check the back. By the way, this is a 7-inch screen. This is not touch screen, by the way. So this is the back view. And that's the front. Just the unboxing, guys. So guys, this was my unboxing of the RR, the Royal Rumble edition. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Please like and share. I'll put in some videos on this also. Sayonara.